All right, I'm going to do a quick video here about finding the volume of a pyramid to help you with your 8-5 IXL topic you need to do. So you can see on here already I've got a rectangular pyramid drawn. And I've got the formula written down here. Let's talk about that for just a second. Volume equals 1/3. Now, one of the important things to know about this is this capital B stands for area of the base. So, if I zoom back in to look at that area of the base, that means the area of this bottom rectangle. And I think we all know in this specific problem, to find the area of that rectangle, it's just length times width. So if I write a little more down for this, volume equals 1/3. To get the area of the base, I actually have to do length times width to get that answer. Then after I do that is where this h comes in to multiply by the height at the end. So now we can fill in our numbers. Volume equals 1/3. Length is that 3 times the width is the 2 there. And the height is my 4. And when you're looking for the height, that should always be this dotted line that connects to the base at a 90-degree angle. So that's kind of what you're always looking at for height. But once we figure out what numbers to put in, then it's not too bad. We can do, and to put this in a calculator, well, I can do some stuff before I even do that. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 4 is 24. 1/3 times 24. Now multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. So as long as you do this first and multiply that stuff together and get your number like we got with the 24, then you can just do divided by 3 8, and make sure again we look at our units. Our units are inches, and we're still doing volume. Volume is cubed, so 8 inches cubed would be the answer for that. So that's a rectangular pyramid. Now the other type you're going to see today, or when you do this IXL assignment, is a triangular pyramid. And the formula starts out the same. Volume equals 1/3. Again, the capital B means area of the base. And if we look at this pyramid, my base is a triangle. So when I do this, where the capital B is, I'm going to have the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. I still have my times h at the end here. I just had to change what I'm using for that capital B portion. So let's just talk about this part in the parentheses right now. Volume equals 1/3 times 1/2 base. Could be either of these sides because they're connected at a 90-degree angle. So if I'm saying the 4 is my base, the height is going to be the 6 because that is the part that's connected to the 90 degrees, that's connected to the base, or the 4. So you've done those before. You found area of triangles before. The last part is to find out the height of the pyramid, and that's that last measurement, 8 inches. And again, just like the last one we talked about, it's that one that goes into the middle of the pyramid and connects to the bottom at a 90-degree angle. So that's what you should be looking for when you're looking for that overall height. Now we just need to make sure we put this in or figure this out correctly. I like to just look at the parenthesis first, and even inside there do half of 4. Half of 4 is 2 times the 6 still is 12. So I've got 12 times 8. And just like I said before, if we figure this part out first, 12 times 8 is 96. Multiplying that by 1/3 is the same as dividing it by 3. And I get 32. And again, we need to make sure we answer this correctly. I'm talking about inches again. If we look back up here, inches again. So my final answer, the volume for this triangular pyramid, is 32 inches cubed. So those couple examples should help you answer the questions on your IXL assignment for volume of pyramid.